We are live. October 17th, 2025. Let's get into the charts. NQ pre-market high 24,802.75. Midnight open 24,729.75. And pre-market low 24,411.25. About a minute more, but let's expand this chart so you can see what I'm looking at as well. So typically, from observing this isn't what it. I don't typically see this formation on the pre-market, where it forms a V or forms a U. So I'm actually unsure of which direction we're gonna head here. In terms of equities, I do want to still see if I can short some extended runs from the rare metals if there's still any meat left on the bones. But we are going to take the reverse opening bell drive, the play that has been working for the last 3 weeks. We'll only do two sides. We're going to just make sure we stay on top of things, and then that will kind of solidify our position. And we're off. Okay, so we're definitely gonna do some calls. Oh, we're gonna do some shorts. We're gonna wait the full minute. It's only been 20 seconds, guys. Okay, HUD. See if we have any interesting NVTS, BTDR. Okay. Low rise on everything. CRML, rise. Irene, rise. P. Oh wait, I bought the wrong one. Sorry guys, I bought the wrong one. This is what I meant to buy. Damn it. Oh my gosh, I was so distracted. That was a human error, guys. God damn it. just got a good feeling that this might rocket up, so up. Oh yeah. Okay, guys. Still, we took one human error loss. What an idiot move. But anyway, definitely wanna look for some shorts, but I need it to. I need it to roll over. That's the thing. I need it to roll over. If everything is opened with a gap down, I'm looking for a rollover. CRML is going to be what I want to see. People are covering their shorts. QQQ has some strength, so this might be. I'm just going to keep watching this one. Yeah, man. The play might be to go long. Yeah, trade what's in front of me, Angel. Trade what's in front of me. Do not try to predict, even though you have some better analyses. But the candle right now is bullish. Candle right now is bullish. Okay, is that the first sign of rollover? See, looks good for a short as well. I'll wait for this candle close and then we'll check it out. We'll just go into a baby position. Well, 33 shares because I do want to give it a wider stop. I definitely don't think this move is completely. Yeah. If anything, I want to kind of buy CRML on this bell drive. think the play, since the Qs are weak, I don't like to buy stocks that go against indices. I want to just trade alongside. Don't want to make things any more difficult than they should be right now. Yeah, we gotta short this thing. We. Okay, we'll start with a baby position. 33 shares short. Okay, BITF. From kind of the current highs, so 20 cents. TF. So how many cents do I expect it? So on a sideways day like yesterday, 40 cents looks like a nice move. 40 cents. Yeah, 40 cents. I did 80 cents yesterday. 430 might be good. Just shorting some weaker stocks. I don't want to short CRML. This is kind of the changes I've made as a trader. Still though, it's the strongest stock we have right now. A lot of eyes are on it. Yeah, let's see if we can get this SE short though. Okay, let's see the trap longs for CRMO. We have market weakness. So I'm expecting a rebound, trap longs, and then we'll go short. That's the expectation, right? But let's see what the chart says. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's take a baby stab here. 100 shares would be $200. Oh, I really want to wait for it to come down again. Yep. We have some MQ strength, so let's see what happens here. Oh man, what a rocket ship. Okay, so now we can go 100 right here. What am I doing? We want a short 100 right here. Oh. I don't like those messages. Okay, let's look for something else to short then. still strong. Rocket ship. Let's see how strong. It's definitely correlated. Oh shoot, SP just turned positive. Oh man, where did I short? I shorted kind of close to here, yeah, when it was starting to roll over. So let's see where it wants to do now. So it's pretty much gonna hit my stop loss, so I'm okay with taking the loss there. Oh yeah, it's gonna. Yes, it will. Yeah. One more try. So we got a pre-market high break retest if it ever comes. Yep, my bias is now long. I want to be with the indices, so what are my strong stocks right now? SNDK, CRML. I'm waiting for pre-market high break retest. So that 800 level, 802 level is going to be what I'm looking for. I'm looking for my strong stocks. Okay, let's see if it will give it to us. Using this as the stop loss. Push. 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 Push it to the limit, 'cause we win it. Push it to the limit, 'cause we win it. Push it to the limit, 'cause we win it. We're just taking wins like that. This SE analysis, I'm just gonna clamp the position. Just gonna clamp the position. It's already a weak stock, and oh man, what a fantastic win. Break and retest. RIP! Yeah, I don't want to be a part of that. I just don't want to look at my screens anymore, guys, so awesome. I was just a technical surgeon waiting for that drive up. Man, that was an awesome win, guys. Awesome win. We literally just rode all of this. We especially rode this candle. This one was the moneymaker. Did I do any 1003? Nope. I basically rode this candle from here to here. That's a 30% move. And now you have chop. So, no thank you. No thank you. Guys, that's it for this Friday. If you were tuning in, we were just getting pummeled. We were on basically our error on that had $1,000 loss on Reddit was that we were just married to the trading idea, and then clearly the sign was weak on Reddit. You have all of this. Let me see. Where is all of this? Oh, nope, not SE, but let's see, QQQ. You basically since the meltdown on last Friday, you basically have a small channel, but and some intraday setups here. If you look on Reddit, oh man, if anything, this is going down, and it's just retesting those here. So the strong hands are turning into weak hands. This is not a good look. Is it gonna do something like this for earnings? Could be, right? So, but that's just not how I trade. We should have flattened the position. Oh, that was the word, flattened the position kind of on that Friday, but we took it early. We waited for the stop loss on the Wednesday. But ever since then, guys, we've been trading what's in front of us. I mean, shout out to Lance and shout out to Desi Trades. They're just putting great ideas in my head, but I know my strength is to look at what's in front of me. And oh no, hang on. And if I see the cues like how I saw them right here, I'm going long. I'm going long. And if I saw this, yeah, I wanted to go long somewhere here. But then now it's pulling back. SNDK as well. Okay, yep, I want to go long at the 150s, but now it's pulling back. I'm just trading the stocks that are in play. The euphoric moves, yes, I could continue to ride it higher, but now it just broke the 5-minute trend. This, of course, broke the 5-minute trend. Okay, is this a trap long action? But I'm gonna call it here, guys. I'm gonna call it here. I didn't count the first one as a trade. I think I've evolved past that to know that, okay, yes, aside from the human error, unless it was just like a catastrophic loss, I just took it as like a break even when I did the reverse bell drive. So that's kind of how my morning went. So we still have one more trade in terms of stop loss, in terms of making sure we don't overtrade. But other than that, guys, thank you for tuning in. Hope your week has been going well. Do I have anything that I like at the moment? I mean, the move here, it's still above pre-market high. Unless it closes down again, then look to go short. But other than that, at this moment, 10:09, the bias is long. I do have a long bias if it does want to go. Still a long bias, even though right now, yep, 10:09, that it's formed this red candle on the 1 minute. Still a long bias, unless it closes up below here at a pre-market high. Oh, I've seen this pattern before. Tesla showed us this. This is like the four dojis. Oh, open triggered my warning. I think I saw that. Yeah, it triggered my morning pre-market, but then now it ripped back up. Not gonna be as aggressive right now, guys. Just if something really comes out to me, I might take a trade. Depending on what it is. But open did signal to me, so I'm gonna move it up. Ooh. That 601 zone, 650s to 601. Somebody's putting selling pressure in. Battle of sellers and buyers, and the sellers are staying strong. So on the 1 minute I was bullish, but right looking at this 5 minute, I'm slightly bearish. If you get into the zone and you cannot reclaim above it, you should go short, even though we're above pre-market high. So if you're taking scalps on the 1 minute, you know where your take profit is. But on the 5 minute, you should be patient. See what happens here, and then short it if it fails one more time. Is there a world where it forms these dojis on the upside up dojis and it just rips up, kind of like that? Yeah, of course. But the probability is that it will do the opposite, right? It'll probably do something like this. Hopefully, right? Okay, here are the. If you're if you're a 5 minute trader, you should be looking to see what happens. No trades on your end. If you're a 1 minute trader, you're taking profits. You're taking profits into this move. But I'm gonna close up the live stream, guys. Thank you for listening. Stay smart, trade safe. Catch you guys Monday. Enjoy the weekend.